Hi guys, welcome back. Princess Upai here. If it's your first time on my channel, you're very much welcome. Guys, don't forget you can follow me on any of my social media platforms written down below. And to subscribe to this channel, share this video, like this video, and leave your comments, please. Guys, so for today's video, I created this look. I hope you guys like it. Please, if you do not forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and share. And without further ado, guys, let's get right into this video. So I'll just outline my brows using my brow pencil and clean it up using my Eyeshadow concealer in the shade Toffee. Just make it look nice. Then I'll just go ahead and brush with my spoolie and apply my eyeshadow primer to my eyelids. Blend that out, and then using my James Charles palette, I'll go in with that B shade. The name of the shade is B, it's yellow. Then I'll go in with that orange shade, it's called 518. Just right there, blend. Then I'll go in with that red shade, it's called You're Kidding. Blend. Then I'll go with that purple shade, it's called Escape. Just try and blend everything. Then I'll go ahead and cut my crease. I'll use my Eyeshadow concealer in the shade Toffee, prime the place I cut, and then go in with that shimmer shade, it's called Wig. Then I'll just draw on my eyeliner. I'll be fixing my lashes off camera as I have a video on this, so please check it out. Put my mascara. Then I'll prime my face using my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. Then I'll be applying my foundation for Mary Kay. It's in the shade Bronze 507. Blend using my Damn Beauty blender. Then I'll highlight my face using my Eyeshadow concealer in the shade Toffee. I'll blend as well. Guys, I also have a video on how I highlight and contour, so please check it out, as I'll leave the link in the description box below. I would set my face using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This step is also in the video I'm talking about. Then I would contour my face using my Eyeshadow concealer in the shade Espresso. This is also in the highlight and contour video, guys, so please check it out if you don't understand any step from here. Go in with my contour powder from Mary Kay. I'll just try to blend and dust off excess powder. Blend, blend, blend. Just trying to blend in my whole face so I don't get outline lines. Then I'll go back with that purple shade, it's called Escape, for my lower lid line, just to add a little bit of smoke to the look. Then I'll put my mascara. Then I'll apply my blush. Then I'll set my face with my setting spray. And then I'll use that face shade. The name of the shade is called Face, to highlight my face. My lips as well. Apply my lipstick from Wet n Wild. And using my lip liner in the shade Chocolate. Just try to blend in those two. Ta-da! So guys, this is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe and share. And with that guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.